How to stop YouTube links from opening the YouTube app but browser on Android on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on Apps. After click on App, click on Choose Defaults app. After click on Choose Defaults app, click on Opening Links. After click on apps that can open links, scroll down to end. You will see click on YouTube. After click on YouTube, you will see open portrait links is here. If you want to stop YouTube link from opening the YouTube app but browser on Android, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see stop YouTube link from opening the YouTube app but browser on open is stop. After turn off this button, go back to home screen. So that's how you can stop YouTube link from opening the YouTube app but browser on open on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.